everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I am so glad you're here because this is an unboxing I have been waiting a month to do for you. It just came in the mail this week and we're gonna open it together because this is Touch of the Art, or Touch of the Soul Arts. Yes, super excited. I can't wait. And I'm going to be doing this for November and December because hashtag switch it up 2023. Paint along with me a painting from a company that you've never tried. It can still be in your stash. You don't have to have a new buy, but you've never actually worked on a canvas before. And this is to help kind of support some of the smaller businesses out there. And so let's dive in and see what's in here. So it comes in a, pretty generic box, but we're going to make sure nothing generic is inside. So yes, Touch the Soul Arts. Over on Facebook is the best way to order from them. I have their Facebook link down below, and then you contact Leah and she will hook you up. Every day I have amazing pieces of art from multiple different artists pop up on my feed, and I love it. Okay. So we first notice that we get the traditional inventory sheet. Now this has 56 colors. Look at that. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are, you can tell, are ABs already. And this is what I ordered. They are doing Grinchmas, and so I decided to do Grinch with them, and super excited because I've always wanted a cartoon Grinchy. And now I have a licensed piece of work. This is square with 4 ABs. It's a 55 by 55 centimeters. Shows you that you're going to have 58 bags. So because there's 56 colors, there must be 2 colors that have double. I'm sure looking at the sheet, one of them is going to be the 310. Oh my goodness. There's bags. All extra bags are there. Okay, so right away I can tell it's poured glue. You're gonna have the key is on the upper left side. Look at that, it has a little thumbnail there for you. Down at the bottom, it shows you another thumbnail. Shows you that it's 55 by 55. And we're gonna unroll this baby. It is a soft lint canvas on the back. Does have the serged edges. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. Oh, how adorable is this? Super, super cute. That's my son in the background agreeing that he likes Baby Grinch. Baby Grinch. Okay, what is under there? Oh, that is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He can hit notes that break glass. Absolutely. So isn't he adorable? Look at that. Let's look at the drill field. Just take a slow look. Everything looks super clear. Got a little fuzzy hat. Oh, I'm super excited to start working on this. Absolutely. So we're gonna look at the, I almost said drill kit, the toolkit. And inside your traditional toolkit, you're going to get some wax. This is what goes, 3 pieces, what goes in your pen when you work on your painting. And make sure you take the little plastic coating off when you go to use it. Looks like you get 2 pens, single placing on one side, 3 placing on the other. You get 1 squishy. You get a couple of baggies. You get a tray, and here's a larger placer. So that comes in your toolkit. In addition to the inventory kit, which I absolutely love, they give you this sticker sheet. So you're gonna have a sticker right here that you can put in your log if you want, or the side of the box if you're storing it. It shows you what the picture is, how big it is, and that it's square with ABs. And then over here, you have these little stickers that you can pull off and either put on your baggies or put on your plastic storage containers, however you would like. So that comes with it as well. And then over here, this is going to match down in the bottom left corner, the number. So if you do separate your canvas from your drills, you can find them easily. And I'm not going to open this because I'm super bad at putting them back in, but we can get a close-up look at all of the beautiful colors. It is in numeral order from 1 all the way to 56. And then here are the ABs in the back. They give you a decent amount. And then look at these colors, like absolutely gorgeous. And you can tell through the packaging that there's no tags on the square drills. Tags are little pieces of plastic that don't get cut off when they go through the die cut, and then when they sit next to each other on the canvas, you're going to end up with popping drills. So absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, your key is in the upper left and in the bottom right. And we looked at, it's just great. And then all of the website, touch the soularts.com, Facebook group, and email. I have checked out at the time of this video the website. It's cute, but they're still putting stuff up. So the best way is through the Facebook group. But down the road, if you're watching this a couple weeks out, they may have updated that. So make sure you check it out. I can't wait to kit this up and dive in. Thank you so much, Touch the Soul Arts. It looks fabulous, but let's try it out. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love you all. Oh, real quick, before you go, let's see where the ABs go. All right, so the green ABs look like they're in here. I almost forgot. They're just kind of sparkle, sparkle. There's some more green ABs. Let's see. Scattered throughout, and then there's red ABs, and those are oh, I think they're in the hat. Yep, they're in the hat. So you're gonna get a little glitz and glam on his face, on his hands, and in his hat. So sorry, I almost forgot that. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.